Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set Linux Mint to always show the battery percentage. So we're going to go to the battery icon in the bottom right hand corner and right click on it. Now go to Configure. That opens Power Manager, and in Power Manager we have a display option. For display, you can hide the label, which is the default. You can show percentage. If I click on that, it shows the battery percentage. I'm at 81%. You can show time remaining. So if I do that, it shows that I have 1 hour and 58 minutes remaining. You can show percentage and time remaining. So this says I'm at 81% with 2 hours and 2 minutes remaining. Or you can hide the label. For today's tutorial, I'm going to set it to show percentage. So that is how you set Linux Mint to always show the battery percentage. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you in my next video.